When a keyboard suddenly stops responding, it immediately affects everything typing, shortcuts, even basic navigation. With the SteelSeries Apex Pro Mini, this usually isn't a permanent issue. Most of the time, it's related to power connection or software rather than the keyboard itself. This keyboard can work through wired or wireless modes, and if the connection mode doesn't match your setup, it may appear completely unresponsive. Sometimes the cable is connected but not delivering data properly, or the wireless mode is active without being paired. There are also cases where the system doesn't recognize the keyboard because of driver or software issues. And yeah, if settings inside the keyboard software are misconfigured, certain functions may stop working even though the keyboard is powered. So instead of assuming it's faulty, the best approach is to check connection type, reset the device, and confirm system recognition step by step. These are the fixes. 1. Check if the keyboard is properly connected. 2. Switch between wired and wireless modes to test responsiveness. 3. Try connecting it to a different USB port or another device. 4. Restart your computer to refresh device recognition. 5. Update or reinstall keyboard drivers and SteelSeries software. Number 6. Reset the keyboard by holding the designated reset key combination.